This is double barbecue cheddar bacon.
Or maybe triple.
Or maybe triple. Okay guys, so this is ground beef. You need at least 25% fat.
Huh? What was that?
I touched.
Don't touch
You
it.
can use meat from neck or ribs, okay? Yum. Red onions and pickled jalapenos. Ah, spicy. If you don't like onions, you can of course skip it, but onions is what makes burger a burger.
Or you can fry it.
Or you can fry it, of course. Mmm, perfect, yeah. You're gonna need bacon, cheddar cheese, or American cheese. Let's build it up. So let's try. Yum, yum, yum. Jesus, it's so good. It's smoky, juicy, spicy. I love it. It's so easy, guys. Come on, man. Exquisite. Andrek, I want to try. So have a nice day, guys. Cheers. Bye. Cheers.
Bye.
Cheers.
Bye.
Solid, smoky.
Bye.